the slime. So we're gonna be needing glue, contact solution, and a baking soda, and a baby oil. So let's get started. First, we're gonna need the glue, and let's put it on. Oh, sorry. Oh, ew. It's hard. Maybe we should get.
Maybe you should need to open it more.
Maybe we should need to open it.
Yeah, just open it.
Okay.
Okay,
And
not too much. Okay,
now we need a baking soda. And we gotta mix it, right? So let's put it on, and we gotta mix it. Is it done?
maybe you should need to put some more glue. Just a little bit more.
Maybe we should put more glue on, a little bit more.
Yeah. Okay.
There. There. And now we're gonna put. Oh,
You have to mix it.
and we gotta mix it again. And we're done. Now we need some baking soda. I mean contact solution. How we open this?
Wanna ask mom for help?
Mom, could you help